Good evening, student. Topic maxima and minima is continue. There is a question number 12. It is from exercise 17.5. Question is a square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter is to be made into a box without top by cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flaps to form a box. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum? Also find the maximum volume. Student, there is a square of side 18 centimeter. A box is to be made without the top and four corners are to be cut from each side of the square. Student, let the square that is to be cut of side x. So remaining part is 18 minus 2x. This square is left and these flaps are to be folded. So volume of the box equal to area of the base into height. Base, that is 18 minus 2x. Base is a square of side 18 minus 2x. Into the height of the box, that is x. Because this x part, right, that is a flap, is folded here. Volume is V, which is the function of x. To find the maxima and minima, we will differentiate it. dV over dx. Apply the product rule here. So 18 minus 2x whole square as it is. Derivative of x is 1 plus. Now we will differentiate this part. You apply the chain rule. It is like a t square is 2t. 2 into 18 minus 2x into derivative of 18 is 0 minus 2, x is 1 into x. Now here 18 minus 2x common, then 118 minus 2x is left minus 4x. This give you 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 6x. For maxima and minima, first order derivative is 0. So dV over dx is 0. Therefore, we will get two values of x. Here x cannot be 9 because if x is 9, then base becomes 0. Therefore, x equal to 18 upon 6, which is 3. So x equal to 3 here. Now we will find the second order derivative d2b over dx square. It is d over dx of 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 6x. Again we apply the product rule. So 18 minus 2x as it is. Derivative of this part, it is 0 minus 6 plus 18 minus 6x into 0 minus 2. Now let us take 2 common. Minus 2 is common here. It is minus 4 common. Then from this we will get 9 minus x into 3 plus 9 minus 3x. When x equal to 3, this part is 0. For x equal to 3, this becomes 0. So it is minus 4 into 3 into 9 minus 3, which is positive. 12 into 6 is negative. So that's why volume V is maximum. If we find the maximum value, then B max equal to 18 minus 2x whole square into x. X is 3. So it is 18 minus 3 to the 6 square into 3. It is 12 square, 144 into 3. So maximum volume is equal to 3 4 is 12, 1 4 3, carry 1, 432 centimeter cube. The maximum volume of the open box, that will be 432 centimeter cube. Student, now next is example 20. There is a similar problem but slight difference. A open box with a square base is to be made out of a given quantity of the cardboard of area C square square unit. So that the maximum volume of the box B max is C cube upon 6 root 3 cubic unit. So a open box is to be made from a given quantity of the cardboard. There is a cardboard of area C square. A open box to be made of square base. So volume, let the side of the square equal to x and height of the box is y. Of the box equal to y. Then we need the total surface area of the box. The total surface area of the box equal to, it is 4xy plus area of the base, it is x square. The box is like a cuboid, its base is x square, side is x, and height is y. This type of the and this part is open. So the box of square base and top is open is to be made, right? The total surface area of the box is this much, 4xy plus x square, and this value is given here c square. It is equation 1. And volume of the box, let it is V, it is area of the base into height. Base is x square and height is y. So it is x square into y. Student, here volume is a function of x and y both, and this part is given constant. So we will find the value of x from equation 1, then put that value in equation 2. Important thing is here we are using full cardboard. The part is not to be cut. Full cardboard of area c square is to be used here to making the box. That is why total surface area of the box is equal to c square. Now V equal to x square into c square minus x square upon 4x. It is the value of y. It is c square minus x square upon 4x. Here 1x is cancelled out. So V equal to 1 upon 4 c square into x minus xv. Now here this v is a function of x. X is a variable here. So we will find dv over dx. It is 1 upon 4 c square constant, x is 1 minus 3x square. Now dv over dx is 0. It is for maxima and minima, condition for maxima and minima. From this we will get value of c. It is c square equal to 3x square, then x equal to c upon root 3. Now we will find the maximum value. So v equal to 1 upon 4 c square into c upon root 3 minus c cube upon 3 root 3. C cube upon root 3 common, then it is 1 minus 1 upon 3, or it is, now here b is maximum, then that we will check, second order derivative we will check again. Let's find b. So c cube upon 4 root 3 into 2 by 3, 2 2 ja 4. So v equal to c cube upon 6 root 3. Student, we will prove volume is maximum also. So it is very simple. We will differentiate this first order derivative. So d2b over dx square. Here 1 upon 4 constant. Derivative of c square is 0, which because it is constant given quantity, and it is 6x. X is, it is 3 by 2 into value of x is c upon root 3 So it is negative. Hence we can say that volume is maximum. Therefore this volume is maximum. So maximum volume is C cube upon 6 root 3.